Hello everyone. I am at Vijay Vihar Society. It's a AWHO society which is located in Vagoli, where Green Planet Solutions has installed its drum composter ECC 700, which turns the organic waste naturally in 7 days. Now let's see the functioning and processing of this machine. It's an automatic drum composter. Functioning of this machine is so easy. You have to segregate your organic waste, and you should be little careful that plastic, metal, rod kind of thing has to be separated so properly. We are adding this special type of enzyme developed by Green Planet Solutions to the organic waste. So we have added the sawdust. 10% sawdust required to convert the food waste into compost. Now it's a time to shred the organic waste. Now we are going to add the mixture to the shredder. It's a separate jaw shredder that crush the organic waste in a small particle size, which is very important for rapid composting process. We can incorporate this shredder to the machine, but we kept it separately because it's a larger machine, and when we incorporate it, it becomes quite difficult to manage with the shredder. Now after crushing the waste, we have to add the mixture to the machine that we are adding from the inlet. Now it's going inside automatically. Machine is helping in mixing the entire waste. We have added the drum inside the machine that rotates for 7 minutes in an hour time, and it's helping in mixing the entire organic waste, which is very essential part to convert the food waste into compost. Your compost is ready to use. A machine has converted the food waste into compost naturally in a 7 days time. You can see the quality of compost. It's such a good quality compost machine has produced, and it's really helping for farming. It increases the nutrition value for plants, so you can easily add to the plants. You can easily use this compost for farming purpose. Now let's talk with the operator, Mr. Chavan, who is operating this machine on a daily basis. So Mr. Chavan, please tell us your experience about this machine.
मैं पिछले 1 साल से मशीन चला रहा हूँ, और मेरे हिसाब से मेरा हर दिन 400 या 600 किलो के बीच वेस्टेज निकलता है पूरा। तो पहले मैं लाके सॉल्डिंग करता हूँ। सॉल्डिंग करने के बाद में पूरा ग्रीन प्लानेट ने जो दिया लिक्विड यूज़ करता हूँ हर दिन 100 मिली, और बाद में मिक्स करके प्रेशर में से निकलने के बाद मशीन में डालता हूँ, और उससे हमें कंपोस्ट भी अच्छा मिलता है, और चलाने के लिए मशीन भी बहुत ईजी है।
Thank you, Chavan. Thank you so much for your feedback on the machine. Thank you so much. Now we should not ignore the work, job responsibility of Mr. Chavan. People like him putting hands in garbage. So that's what our homes, our society areas are maintained. So let's support them so they will feel motivated and encouraged to do their work. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for the global cause of environment.